Hello everyone, I am Vaishnavi Ray. Today I am talking about air conditioning. An air conditioner is a system that used to cool down a space by removing heat from the space and moving it to some outside area. The cool area can then be moved throughout a building through ventilation, and then area conditioner required some input of work to operate, and otherwise entropy would decrease naturally, which is forbidden by the second law of thermodynamics. Air condition act to um, similarly to a heat to heat pumps, but instead follow a cooling cycle. The air conditioner is a key component of the HVAC system, which focuses on home temperature control in order to maximize comfort and livability in a space. Air conditioner are called split system because there is an outdoor unit and indoor unit. These two systems work together to accomplish the task of cooling and entire space, while also humidifying. Then air conditioner is one of the necessary in our daily life for regulating temperature. It create cool area during the hot summer and a warm area during the winter. That's all about air conditioner. Thank you.